Morning traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, downtown Chicago here. Happy Friday to all of us. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, we'll start with the corn market. First chart of corn. See, it's not been a good week here for corn. See if you can see 4 days of lower highs and lower lows. So we'll see. We seem to be holding in here this morning. But again, it's March 1st today and not a good month of February here, and not a good week for the corn market. Exports were very solid today. We need this to continue here. And there's just a lot of corn in the world today. And as we move into the planting season, we just need demand to continue and be better than it's been. And perhaps that'll happen here. So corn charts not looking so good. Okay, the soybean market, next chart. You can see soybeans now in pretty good support here. Maybe we're in a range of a 910 low and a 940 high. So we're at the lower end of the range. Looks like it's in good support here, and I would expect these markets to hold in here. Exports on soybean pretty good. Soybean meal over in China at a 3-year low. So all with this ASF flu over there and all these hogs and pigs being slaughtered, you're seeing the demand for soybean meal, hence prices of soybean meal really, really low over in China. So we'll keep talking about that. Next chart we have is the wheat market chart, and you can see this chart just falling out of bed here, and certainly a lack of buyers. Wheat just trending lower here. So again, these charts on the grain markets not looking too good here. Now there's 5 things I want to talk about that I want to bring up here as we move in. And number 1 is it's a little bit early here for weather in USA to support the grain markets. It's wet out there. There's record snowfall in the northern Corn Belt. There's going to be flooding, but it's a little too early to be concerned about that. And keep in mind, if the U.S. farmer cannot plant corn, that's going to be bullish. But we'll be talking about that as we move into the planting season. Okay, number 2 is Brazil's safrinha corn crop. Their number 2 corn crop is growing here. So more corn supplies coming out of Brazil. Corn supplies in the world here continue to get large. Number 3 is you're going to see the U.S. farmer and the South American farmer sell on any types of rallies. So when you see corn market up 3 or 4 cents overnight, you want to see it close the day 8 cents higher, and you don't see that. When corn rallies, it brings in sellers from both South American and North American farmers. Number 4 is the managed funds. They've started some short positions in here. There's nothing in the near term that's going to get them to change their mind. And keep in mind, these managed funds are technical traders. We just went over the technicals, and the ball's in the seller's court here. So these managed funds who are short are going to stay short right here, right now. And then 5, China. They're saying they're going to buy 10 million metric tons of U.S. soybeans. When are they going to do that? The trade's kind of getting a little anxious about that. And let's have that happen here today here. And that would be a positive in the short term for the U.S. soybean market and exports. So everybody have an excellent weekend.